start. Now, sir, when the 10th 5-year plan was under discussion, I happened to be a member of the Committee of Parliament which was dealing with resources, and I happened to belong to that school which thought that the target of the 10th 5-year plan was much too big for our resources, internal as well as external, and the alternative that I, along with others who agreed with me, suggested was that we should fix a series of priorities and cut down those which were non essential, and that in the alternative we should extend the period of the plan to 6 years or 7 years. Parliament, after debating the whole issue, unanimously agreed in both the houses that the targets of the 10th 5-year plan, as laid down by the Planning Commission, should be carried out. When Parliament came to that decision, it had before it the minute of dissent written by Professor Rao as well as by one of the members of the Planning Commission. Both these gentlemen had also warned that the target of the plan was much too big for the resources of this country. However, Parliament took that decision, and after that decision, we had a general elections in the country. The 10th 5-year plan was before the country, and the country by an overwhelming majority approved the plan and returned this party in greater numbers in the Lok Sabha this time than was the case last time. Therefore, it is too late in the day to ask the finance minister or the government of India to scale down the targets of the 10th 5-year plan. We as a people and also a parliament are now committed to the execution of this plan, wherein a target of rupees 48,000 crores was fixed. It is now, I believe, increased to rupees 52,000 crores or rupees 54,000 crores. Now, when we have agreed on that basic point, then we must find the resources to implement that plan. For some time, we had also debated the question of deficit financing, which of course is a euphemism in modern parlance for the printing of notes. When we need money, we issue treasury bills, and notes are issued by the Reserve Bank. This sort of thing cannot continue forever. Full stop.